Nuremberg Codes, Article 6, Section 3. What does it say? No government can impose by force a medical treatment on their population. Well, this seems to be in certain countries they're following this type of road. Italy, there are categories of workers, starting from healthcare and to the over 50s. By decree, they are obliged to take this thing, mandatory otherwise. I'm not against it or for with it. What interests me, people have the right to decide, not the government decides of your health. If it works, fair enough. Until now, there's not enough scientific evidence to prove this. Now, the over 50s have been persecuted as well to take this thing. You can't do it with a decree making it mandatory. You need to pass a law voted democratically by Parliament. Plus, these pharmaceuticals under Italian law needs a special medical prescription, which is called RRL. It's an abbreviation for something. I discovered it a few days ago, this thing. And these V centres, by law, they're obliged to do a medical prescription before they administrate the stuff. You can't administrate stuff which needs which needs a prescription, like antibiotics or penicillin. You need a medical prescription. Okay, even this enters in that type of category of pharmaceuticals, which needs a prescription. But in these centres, they do not do neither of these things. They just administrate you these things, make you sign a disclaimer saying it's not the responsibility if you drop dead if you walk out of the door. It's not true. Seeing it's mandatory for certain categories of society, you as the government are accountable if anything happens to them. You can't wash your hands. You probably inserted inside this decree law, number 44, which was converted into an act, which they called an amnesty of those doctors and nurses who causes injuries or deaths due to this administration of this thing. You may get away with that criminally, but civilly you are still accountable, because here in Italy, doctors are obliged to have an insurance policy due to their misconduct in their medical profession or negligence, damages, through injuries, or right up to deaths. So, those people who have to undergo this medical procedure by force, by law, have the right to have it prescribed, have the right to ask the doctor what insurance company is insured against these possible damages. If people are more wise, you shouldn't give in and take it and walk out and suffer with the side effects of these things. No. If these side effects are more different than the pharmaceutical companies have stated on their article in instructions which comes with the pharmaceutical products, it's by law in each country, whatever thing it is has to become with the instructions explain you what it is and do's and don'ts. And strange enough on these things, each time there's written, you need a medical prescription. And the doctors in these V-senders, they don't do it.